Here's how to test the readability of your Canva content for when people see it on their mobile phone on Instagram. Do not forget this important step as you're designing in Canva. Sometimes we're here working in our big computer and we see everything big and clear, but we forget that while we're designing like this, people are actually seeing it a lot smaller on their mobile phone. So we need to make sure that the text and all the elements you have is readable and people can actually see and read everything from their phones, their small phone screens. So there's a very simple step that I want you guys to do when you're creating any social content in Canva. And you're going to go to this little scroll here, and you're going to go down and zoom out until you're around 28 to 30% of the size of the design. If this is easy to read, you are on the clear. Of course, if you use our templates, we already size everything specifically thinking about the phone screen, and you don't have to worry about that. Just keep your designs in the same size as we do on the templates. But if you're designing from scratch, make sure you're always taking that step and going here, making this design smaller in this slider here on the bottom of your Canva window. So now we know this is the size we use for designing, and this is the size people will see it on their phones. Easy to read, we're in the clear. So don't forget to do that every time you're designing for social using Canva. If you enjoyed this tip, make sure you hit the subscribe button.